Have you claimed your XOS faucet token? So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, if you are interested in farming only legit projects, check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. So now coming to XOS Airdrop. So the testnet has started since about 2 days ago. So a lot of people are having problem in setting it and claiming their faucet testnet token. So I'm going to be showing you 4 easy steps for you to actually get it done. Mind you, this is a solid project, solid testnet project. So you have to actually take it serious and make sure you claim it on a daily basis. Follow these steps. The thing you need to actually do is to have an XOS account. And if you already have, you'll discover that you've already connected it to a wallet. And if the wallet is not MetaMask, please do this. You need to go to your wallet, the backup, then copy the private key. So when you copy the private key, all you need to do is to come to your MetaMask account. So when you come here, then you import the private key here. You can see area for private key. So when you import the private key, then you are good to go to continue from here. Then after importing, all you need to do is just to come here. Then you select the wallet you just imported. Okay, this is mine now that I imported. Are you getting my point now? So it's already selected. Now, then after that, the second thing you need to do is to add XOS Testnet custom network. So all you need to do is to come here. So when you come here, you're going to select add custom network. So when you click on add custom network, you're going to fill in these details. So you can see all those figures. So if you want to get all these figures, check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. You're going to see the the details there is in my Telegram channel. So be sure you join and get it now. So here is the network details. Just join my Telegram channel for you to have access to it. So after completing all your details like this, then the next thing you need to do is to click on save. You can see save here. So the next thing you need to do is to make sure you select this XOS from here. You can see, make sure you select the right one. Then from here, you can see there are a lot of network. You're going to be selecting this. You get the point. So that's why it's showing here like this. So the next thing you need to do is to come to the browser section here. Then you are going to enter the faucet address. So this is the faucet address. You can either enter this or this. So let me choose the first one. So I'm going to copy, then go back to my MetaMask. Then I'll enter the address. Then you click on go. Then you wait for it to open. So now you make sure it's connected. You can see connect at the top here. So I'm going to connect it. So now the faucet here, just click here. So when you click, then it will open. So when you come here, what you need to enter here is the wallet address. So we're going to go back and copy our wallet address. So this is the wallet address that you want to copy, this one. So to copy, just tap on it, then you click on receive. You can see receive from here. So I'm going to copy, click on copy, then let's go back. Then we paste. Can you see now? So the reason why this one is like this is because I'm using the wallet address connected to my XOS account, the one I registered. So please make sure you take note of that. Then you're going to request. So requests have been sent. So we're going to set transaction of. So then another thing I need to explain to you is this. If you have user with one verified referral on X can claim every 3 days. User holding Guardian's NFT badge can claim daily. You get the point. So now let's check, maybe the token has entered. So you can see now the balance is showing here 0.2. So every day, if you have the NFT badge, every day you'll be getting you'll be able to claim. But if not, you can be claiming every three days if you have one referral. Then the next thing is to go to the swapping option. For you to go to the swapping option, you have to just come here again. You can see you can see the balance is showing now. Then the last thing you need to do is to come here. You can see select tokens. You can see you're going to select each of these. So I'm going to put 0.01. So you're going to see the equivalent in dollars. You can select any of the coin here. So as a matter of fact, you're advised to swap to all the coin we have here. So what I just want to do personally is, since I'll be claiming it daily, so each of the claim, everything I'll be claiming, going to I think it's equivalent around $8. So this is what I'm going to do. You can see now. So I'm going to swap. So this is what I'm going to be doing every day.